Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off AirPlay on Android. If you're using an Android phone and you are seeing this type icon like airplane in your phone screen and now you want to turn it off or disable it, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down your control center and here you'll get the airplane mode. Here you can see that this is enabled. You just have to tap on it to disable it. But if you won't get this one here, so you just have to go to your phone settings. In settings, you have to open your network settings or here more connections. Just tap on it, and here's the airplane mode. You can see the settings have been enabled. But if you won't get the airplane mode here, you have to go back, go to main settings, search setting, and here you just have to search for airplane. Here's that, just tap on it, and then you just have to tap on it to disable this one. In this way you can easily disable airplane mode in your phone, and after that your all network settings will work. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable AirPlay on Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.